sometimes it really is tiring to be such a large and splendid engine. One does have to keep up appearances, so... hello, bastard. It's Diesel 10. Doesn't look like I care what a Diesel has to say. You ever get traumatized? I mean, yeah, sure, but like, yeah, that's good. No, let's watch a famous episode of that tank engine show. Ah! Did you get bashed in by your own phone? Let's watch Gorn takes a tumble. No reaction. The episode's alright. I mean, didn't you crash in it? I mean, yeah, it was pretty good. It was pretty epic. I'm trying to traumatize you. Traumatize is a strong word. Let's just watch the damn thing. Okay. Fine, let's just do it.
Take his weight, and the rails buckled. Oh, help! Gordon cried as he slid off the tracks.
What do you guys do? Wait, supplies.
Into a field.
And boom. It's like a master glass of crashes. It just keeps going on and on and on and on and on and on. That was great. Sorry I had to crash the ball again. Do you feel any pain from that? Anything at all? PTSD? PTSD is a strong word. I'm trying to get under your skin because I'm bored. All this stuff about trauma. You ever been to the Void, Mr. 10? Mr. 10 has a cool ring to it. The Void is not a very nice place to be in. It eats at you, burns you alive. You just feel lost. And when you're surrounded by Thomas the entire time, it just allows a man to go crazy. It also allows someone to get a hold of unimaginable powers of the Void. What are you talking about? The Void is a very cruel place, Diesel 10. It's a very cruel place for Diesels like you. Like people like you, just sad, lonely individuals. How about this? Get out, and I send you where I was sent with that blue idiot. Are you talking to yourself or someone else? There we go. Time to take another nap.